Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Photoshop tutorials how to change size of image. As example, I will open this image, and then if you want to resize this image, you can go to image menu and then click on image size. The next, I will use these options. We set into 1500, press enter. Now the image will be automatically changed into 1500 pixels. You also can reduce by using image again and click on image size. In here we set for width, I will set it to 800, and you can click OK to apply. So that's it for basic Photoshop tutorials how to change image size. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.